In this video, I'm going to two different dollar stores, Dollar General and Dollar Tree, to see what different slime supplies they have to offer. So here, I'm checking out their store-bought slime, and there's this one that's a boogers slime, and they had some squishies as well that I thought were really nice, and I didn't expect to find them here. And there's a make your own squishy kit as well as some dollar slime. One was $1 and I think the other one was $3 that I ended up getting, but they had a couple there, and I really liked this gold slime. I am excited to try it out and see if it's any good. This one I think is a mystery slime. There's like a little packet inside there, and then there is a green slime as well. They had a bunch of different slimes. There was a little overview of it, and this one came in a really cute container, and this was just in a random aisle. I went and checked out their candle melts for candle slime to see if there were any ones that intrigued me. They also had this softy dough. I think it's similar to Play-Doh, so it would probably melt slime. I didn't end up getting it because it was pretty heavy and I wouldn't be able to take it back. They had a couple of ice cube trays as I showed there. That could be nice for resin, or if you want to make a shape out of slime. They had some confetti here that can be fun to add to slime if they aren't sharp. They had some piping bags that can make some really cool shaving cream videos on Instagram. You can check out my Instagram. It's at @CraftySlimeCreator if you want to see some satisfying slime videos. And then I moved on to the Dollar Tree. I was pretty successful and found some cool things at Dollar General, but unfortunately at Dollar Tree I didn't find very much here for some reason. In Canada I have Dollar Tree as well, and they usually have some pretty cool items, but at this particular location I couldn't find much for slime. They had some brush pens, and they had these foam beads and a bunch of different containers. I thought I would show you. This is what I originally kept most of my slime in when I first started making slime, those deli containers and containers like these. They also have some very affordable plastic bags if you want to store your slime in there instead. They also had some beads, but no real filler beads. If you want to make your own slime, I have my recipe book, Ultimate Slime, that teaches you how to make tons and tons of slimes. The link will be down below if you would like to purchase that. Thank you so much for watching. Keep creating, and I will see you all next time.